Oh, look at those at the bottom. I got a recipe off of online to make some Loquat jam. So, and also, I was just reading that you can actually use the leaves for a cough expectorant. So, guess what? I'm gonna try both. I'm gonna get the young leaves and I'm gonna make some cough syrup. Huh? Yep. My tree's getting a little dry, I guess. It's a little warm, but I'm gonna get some of these leaves and I'm gonna make some cough syrup. Stay tuned. It's gonna be infused with rosemary. My rosemary tree. And thyme. Got a lot of it. Just throw these leaves are scrubbed. I have my rosemary. I'm not using much because it's pretty strong. And a handful. So I have my pot ready. I have my thyme, my rosemary, and the leaves from the loquat tree. I'm gonna boil it. It says to boil for about 20-30